Hi all, my name is Paul and I'm going to talk about the caption project that we worked on. The iOS app that we created as per the caption project was called Let's Talk application. It is an application basically used for one-on-one conversation for people on sensitive social topics. So I'm going to start off with our registration. So we have few landing pages over here, after which I'll enter the name. Now my username, then I click continue, then I select the options after this. I select my age, my number, and my email address. I will be typing right now. Yeah, so this is my email address. I'll click continue. I will set a password. Um, and when I click continue, it actually sends a email for registration. Let's see if the email is sent. Yeah, as you can see, we have received an email for verification. I have clicked and verified. Now I can continue. We can upload the photo as well. Now basic information is done. Let's go for entering the matching information. That is, I'm selecting the personality type of mine. I would like to have a moderate chat, and I would like to discuss on abortion, immigration, same-sex marriage, animal rights, universal healthcare, and I click continue. Now I will select my affinity. So I am a pro-choice person. I am anti-immigration. I am pro same-sex marriage. I am anti-universal healthcare, and I am pro animal rights. So these are my affinities that I have given, and I am a listener and observer, and the person I prefer to talk with is the talker or sharer. Continue. Analytical and personal. Continue. All this data that is stored in order to match users. After this, my preferences, my mode of preference, and continue. As you can see, registration is complete. These are just the landing pages. Agree to the terms and conditions, and render the Let's Talk application. If you go and see the Let's Talk Firebase authentication, as you can see, if I refresh this page of the authentication, I have the email ID that I gave over here, and also the data that I have given is stored over here. For example, registration details for KSI 789, everything is stored like that. Everything else also will be stored. Now let me log in. So the login ID is ksi7819@gmail.com. 7819@gmail.com. Password. Um, as you can see, I'm logged in with all the details. My interests are displayed over here. And if I click other actions and click match users, this is all the people that I match with over here. And as you can see, these are the Raghu Dixit is the highest person I match with. Okay. Now, for example, we will also show you how requests are sent. If I click show requests, you can see send request and receive requests are there. But if I open and click match use and I want to send a request to, let's say Raghu Dixit, I say show profile of his. I check for his topics that he has selected. Okay, if I feel that he is the person I can text with, I just request chat and I select the mode that I have to send him to, and I send a request to him. Now, if you can see, and show requests to Gaifan 955, which is Raghu Dixit. I have chat and video call sent. Okay. Now, the next feature that I'm going to show you is matching is done, showing of request is done. I will show you textual communication. So we have two users. One is Gaifan, one is Prakash Nathan. So I'm going to enter into Prakash Nathan 62@gmail.com. I'm going to enter into his account, and If I log in, as you can see, the data of Prakash Nathan is stored, is retrieved. Now I go to other actions and I press match users. All the people are shown over here. Now I go to requests. Now you can see he has a request from Gryphon. So I will show how texting is happening. So I accept the request and I put a message which says, "Hi Raghu, seems like the protests on abortion are going on. We support the cause." So as you can see, it is sent on the right side in the dark bubble. Now, if I go back and log into Raghu Dikshit's account, that is Gaipan, let us see. I log into his account, all his details are shown. I press other actions, and if you can, sorry, yeah, if you show request, you can see message request from Prakash Nathan. I accept it, and you can see over here his message is shown over here. Hi Raghu, seems like the protests on abortion are going on. This is from Prakash Nathan. So I send, uh, yes, sure. So this is done, and we have to show another thing that is, as you can see, the message is delivered. One is we can rate the conversation. We can report the chat buddy. If I click report the chat buddy, uh, it will show what reporting and all happens, and that's it. So everything over here is covered as per our plan. There are a few things which were missed out, but all that in cases the identity of the application is covered. Now, if you see, this is our database. This is our Firestore. These are all our authenticated user. Yeah. Thank you so much.